Are you angry because of diabetes? I'm Addison, and here is your private affirmation session to boost your belief in getting on the path to health. These classic quotes are 18 affirmations for ownership, optimism, and persistence on the path of healthy meal prep, exercise, and amazing results. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. It's amazing what you can accomplish if you do not care who gets the credit. Harry S. Truman. 17. Anything not worth doing is worth not doing well. Think about it. Elias Schwartz. 16. The art of medicine consists in amusing the patient while nature cures the disease. Voltaire. Many people submit to excessive appetites without realizing that they do not need to eat so much food. Kate Smith. Talk not of wasted affection, affection never was wasted. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. She was a woman who, between courses, could be graceful with her elbows on the table. Henry James. A great step toward independence is a good-humored stomach. Seneca. If you're old, don't try to change yourself, change your environment. B.F. Skinner. There's so much pollution in the air now that if it weren't for our lungs there'd be no place to put it all. Robert Auburn. My acting career began at age 3 and my parents got me into it. I was in a McDonald's commercial. Corey Feldman. Laziness may appear attractive, but work gives satisfaction. Anne Frank. No question is ever settled until it is settled right. Ella Wheeler Wilcox. There is nothing stronger in the world than gentleness. Han Suyang. Acts of injustice done between the setting and the rising sun in history lie like bones, each one. W.H. Auden. What you know about the people whom you know at all well is truly amazing, even though you have never formulated it. Harry Stack Sullivan. The qualities I most admire in women are confidence and kindness. Oscar de la Renta. Man tells his aspiration in his God, but in his demon he shows his depth of experience. Margaret Fuller. The universe is one great kindergarten for man. Everything that exists has brought with it its own peculiar lesson. Orison Swett Marden. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.